let's go through 5 easy steps to ensure how you can give your customers a 5-star experience. Hi, today we're talking about food ratings. And why are they important? Because they actually help the customer decide where to order from. So let's begin. First, customers वैसे भी order करते हैं जब उनको भूख लगती है. तो अगर हम अपना preparation time थोड़ा कम करें, this will ensure reduced delay in any kind of delivery, which means that the customers will get their food faster and there'll be an overall happy experience. We know that safety and hygiene is of utmost importance, especially in today's day and age. We must make sure that the food is getting prepared and packaged in the most hygienic and safest of environments. Ensure that you follow Zomato's hygiene and safety guidelines to ensure max safety measures. Number 3. We all know that customers stay, and sometimes customers अपने orders के साथ special instructions भी भेजते हैं. So it's very important that we follow these instructions carefully to ensure maximum satisfaction. Packaging is the first impression a customer gets of your restaurant. It's always better to use sturdy and good quality packaging over polythene bags or aluminum foils. Second, it's very important to leave some space between the lid of the container and the food to ensure that the food does not spill over. And lastly, once everything is packaged, use the Zomato tape tightly across the packaging to ensure there's no spillover during delivery. In spite of everything, sometimes ऐसा भी हो सकता है that the customer regardless has a poor experience. In such a case, please respond to all the customer feedback and offer compensation to ensure that the customer comes back and orders again from you. Please remember that Zomato always shares genuine feedback and reviews with you. And that's it. Hope you're all now ready to give your customers a 5-star experience.